Good afternoon, students. Now we are going to see composites. Composites means composites are combined materials, that is the combination of two or more components. So the components are filters or reinforcing agents and compatible matrix binders. These two can be combined together to form a composite materials. So mainly for what purpose we are combining these two or more components? To attain some specific characteristics, to improve some special characters, to improve the strength of the materials. We can combine, same as that of alloying process, we can combine the two or more components. So but here the components do not dissolve or merge completely into each other. So they do not dissolve into each other, but they act together. They do not dissolve into each other, but they can act together. That means it does not lose their identity. It does not lose their any properties. They can act together, but they do not dissolve in one another. So that is the composite materials. So when compared to that of traditional materials like concrete, these are stronger, lighter, and it is less expensive. And some examples of reinforcing materials are, some examples for composite materials are reinforced concrete and composite wood such as plywood, reinforced plastics and ceramic matrix, metal matrix composites. These are some examples for composites. And in our syllabus we are going to see that is FRP. FRP means fiber reinforced plastics. So it consists of polymer plastic and some reinforcing agents. Polymer matrix, example resin, and that means some examples for polymer matrix. Polymer matrix, that is thermoplastics. These are thermoplastics. It includes nylon, polyethylene, polypropylene, polyester, etc. can be used as a matrix. And some common reinforcing agents used are aluminum, aluminum oxide, beryllium oxide, etc. So these two materials combine to form a FRP. That is polymer matrix and some reinforcing agent. Reinforcing agents are fibers and polymer matrix are resins. Resins, some examples for polymer matrix already I told, that is a polyethylene, polypropylene, polyester, etc. So epoxy resin can in all these polymer matrix we can use the polyester is the best matrix. Nowadays we are using this polyester as a matrix. Epoxy resin also has a high adhesion capacity and less shrinkage than polyester, even though it has more quality than polyester, but the cost wise it is more. That's why we are using polyester instead of epoxy resins. The fiber reinforced plastics are produced by bonding a polymer matrix with fiber reinforcing materials under heat and pressure. So some properties of this FRP, they are lightweight as compared to that of the traditional materials, and they have high strength, and also the reinforcing fiber prevents slip and crack propagation of polymers. It enhances the mechanical properties, and also they are high resistance to chemicals, and also they does not corrode. They are corrosive resistance, oxidation resistance, etc. They are also elastic in nature and have a high yield strength and to prevents the fractures, and they offer greater design flexibility. So we can make any designs by using this composite materials. And the uses of composite materials are generally used for buildings, bridges and structures such as boat hulls, swimming pools, panels, etc. The most advanced example perform routinely on spacecraft and aircraft in demanding environments. Thank you.